What is this? Is this recording? That was cheesy and stupid, probably not gonna put that in. What is up, you guys? And I haven't made a video in quite some time now, but life's been busy. School and work, it's been crazy. But here we are, it's already October, and I am going camping for the night, and here is the biggest twist as to why I'm sharing that with you. I am going camping in my Tesla Model 3 for the first time ever. We're gonna try out camp mode. We're gonna try out sleeping in the car. We're gonna try out the mileage and see how that gets us and mileage use overnight. So let me just kind of show you guys my setup right now, and then I'll show you guys once again when we're there. So here's what we got going on. I set up my bed. Now that's an excessive amount of pillows, I know. And then my blanket's right there. And it doesn't look that large, but in reality, if I were to zoom out for you guys, so as you can see, I got the wide angle on right now, put that in there. It's actually quite a bit of room. I'm actually not that nervous. We come over here, I got my clothes and my snacks. And then we're gonna open up the front trunk. There's all my food. And I'm also gonna put my charger in there. One thing I've already noticed that's really amazing about going camping with the Tesla is the amount of storage you have. I mean, for a compact car, I have the front trunk. I have the trunk, but not only the trunk, because in this case I won't be using my trunk, but there is actually a flap for storage underneath where I can put chargers or clothes and food and things like that. So it's pretty neat. So like I said, I'm going to be camping in my Tesla Model 3 only for a night, but it doesn't matter. It's still gonna be fun. It's still gonna be great. And I wanna show you guys because I personally was looking for a video as to how this works and an in-depth review of mileage and battery and how it all works. So we're gonna go ahead, test it out. I'm gonna give you guys all the information. And it's really honestly very spacious with the both front seats pushed forward. So when I got here, my car had 165 miles and they actually had a 110 volt outlet, so I plugged into there. It's been collecting some juice, so I got to about 190. I mean, I do have the heat on right now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it on all night. So yeah, battery wise, even if you have it plugged in to just 110 volt, you're gonna lose battery with the heat on. With a 220, maybe not. Other than that, it's pretty neat. There is a feature I didn't know about with camp mode. You do get this really neat kind of video running, different than romance mode, pretty neat. And like I said, it's pretty, I'm 6'3" and I'm laying flat. So it's honestly pretty honestly, it's pretty neat. All I need is some window shades because I forgot about that part. So I've got a vest and my sweater. I'm not even sure if you guys can see me. So yeah, I'll either update you guys later tonight or in the morning. Alright, so it is currently the next morning, and I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. It wasn't as bad as I thought. I fit perfectly, and I slept well. And the inside of my car actually didn't go below 60. And one time I woke up and it said 59, and so I just turned the heat on, and it actually wasn't that bad. Two things I'm going to invest in. One is shades, so people can't just stare at me. And two, an actual mattress, because all this space right here from pushing the seats up, that could be mattress space if I just bought the mattress. But yeah. Ironically enough, my girlfriend convinced me to stay another night. So this is night 2 in the Tesla. We're having some weird charging issues. I don't know why it's not charging, but it's actually pretty neat sitting there. I don't think you can see, but even being able to see the moon while I sleep. Nice. All in all, this has been a really nice trip and also a really cool experience. Tonight I am in a different location and I can see the bathroom lights and they are bright, but I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Yeah, and I'll see you soon. Bye.